Today I'm sharing one of my favorite dal recipe. This dal will take makes me nostalgic when my mother used to prepare this when she had only basic vegetables at home. This doesn't take much effort, but yet it tastes so good and comforting. So let me share this with you as well. This is a green chili dal, basically what we call it. So here I'm taking 3 cups of tur dal and a tablespoon of chana dal also to give it a good texture. And now I'm soaking the dal for a few minutes. Before adding the vegetables, I have soaked it. So I've taken 1 onion and 3 to 4 roughly chopped tomatoes and 10 numbers of green chili and a bit of coriander leaves. We'll cook it until 3 whistles. Once it's cooked, you have to take out the vegetables in a vessel, all the cooked vegetables, and we have to add a bit of seasoning and take out also a bit of dal along with the vegetables. We have to mash it together. So now I'm adding a half teaspoon of turmeric powder and about 2 teaspoon of sambar powder to it, and then mash it nicely. Once it's mashed nicely, now we are going to transfer it back again into the dal. Adjust the consistency, like wash the vessel or adjust the consistency there itself. And now we are putting a tadka here. Like I'm taking 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Let them splutter a bit. Now I'm adding cumin seeds. Once they splutter together, now I'm adding garlic stalks. Once the garlic are burnt, like they should be light brown in color, now I'm adding red chili to it and curry leaves. So fry them nicely, to splutter and give a good aroma. Then we'll transfer the dal into the tadka. Transfer the whole dal mixture and give it a good mix. And now adjust the flavoring. We are adding tamarind. I had soaked a bit of tamarind. I add the tamarind pulp to it. And season it with salt. Stir it nicely and let it come to a boil. So this is optional thing. Like I like coconut in it, freshly grated coconut. So I've added 2 teaspoons of freshly grated coconut. You can skip this, but it really tastes good. You can try it once. So now the dal is ready. We'll serve it with hot rice and some papad, and this is groundnut powder. We can call it like podi, what we say. So this is a really tasty dal. See, I like to eat it with papad like this. I'm just showing how I eat it. Also, you can add a bit of a teaspoon of ghee to it. It really tastes good. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel, Foods Memory. Thank you.